How often when you're cooking do you go to grab a pot and you can't find its matching lid? And what if I told you there's a way to restore some sanity to the mess that is your Tupperware? These two organizers will take back that precious cabinet space you've been missing. Introducing the Food Storage Container Organizer for all your Tupperware and container items, and the Cookware Organizer for all of your pots and pans. Each will help declutter the inside of the base cabinet, and both are designed with convenience and versatility in mind. Both solutions can fit into different size base cabinets, and both include top-tier lid organizers. But you don't need to worry about all of those cabinet sizes. Adjustable dividers on both options allow limitless customization to fit all of your needs and easily help straighten up Tupperware in large to small pots and pans. Both options will pay for themselves the first time you don't have to go searching for a lid, or when you don't have to go buy new Tupperware each month like I do. These container organizers are the first of many options when it comes to decluttering a kitchen. But if you could choose two products to get organized quick, then these are a grouped pair.